Or just trying to make the effort to bring you something every day. Isn't a lot, is it? But I just run the strimmer over the grass. It won't worth getting that little mower down for this little bit. It just knocked the tops off it. I haven't even swept the passage, so it'll tread in my house, I think. I'm in the path. So, there you go. Right. Anyway, like I say, just an effort. It's another nice-ish day, isn't it? So, you know, just to make a little bit of an effort. It'll be similar to yesterday, of course. We've only got so many toys to play with, haven't we? So, there's the strimmer under the sheet again. Look, it's been all winter. Don't want to hurt it. Oh, so, but what I've got here, and what I've got to do is put this the other side, so your back's to the sun this time, with a bit of luck. So what I'm going to do is, as yesterday, got the engine ready to go. So what I'll do, I'll stand that on there, put my saw bench in there, look. Now, it's only held in on the nuts, it's not bolted down, but look, it's fairly secure. I can nearly lift it up with that. I've just clamped it together on the nuts underneath. Be near enough. Not doing much, I've got some little bits of wood. If it flies off, it'll stop anyway, won't it? You know, so. As I say, it's just to show you something, isn't it? While we chat about the world in general in these so-called times. I don't know. I have popped out today to the shop, that's all. Not very much. And what do? You know, I can actually visit my friends though, because I've read the instructions today, the rules. And they said you're allowed to visit friends to collect provisions from them. What I was doing the other day, so you know, we're getting there. Maybe. Right, we're all set to go, I think. So, what I'll do first, as I say, these videos, by the way, they're not they're not quite up to standard as such. Stop that door blowing in a moment. No, they're not quite up to standard as such, but you know, we're just trying to bring you longish videos of something to watch, and one or two I know like them. Some don't matter, does it? So if I stand that there like that and try and have a look, yeah, you can see the engine a bit there. Probably see what I'm doing a bit better than the other day. Oh, there's some bricks here which are just for this purpose of holding the door open. Whether it will or not, I don't know, but let's give it a go and see. And I'll put this stool over here, this little stool, if I put it there, like that, and then put the camera on that, looking at there, you might even see something. You never know. You might even see something. What are we watching now? Right, there, right. I think we're nearly all set to go, barring the belt. Oh, we'll see in a moment. Getting a tight squeeze to get in here. It is. Oh, I'm bending down, get my neck done. Anyway, let's see how we go on today, eh? Oh. Right, that's on there, that's on there. Got the switch ready. Got my foot on there to tighten it. Right. It might want a slight bit of adjustment, this, because it's running right on the edge, isn't it? You can see that without me having to tell you. See? I think the belt stretched a little bit. That's part of the problem. Yeah, the belt stretched a little bit. Let's just see. Try once again. Just see. it was enough to go. I'll get this belt. We'll put it on here. Like that. I'm going to have to come back quite a bit, I know that. But it probably needs adjusting a bit. And that goes on there. Like that. Right. Now we'll just move you over here. Let's see what happens. Oh. See very much. You can see there, I can see the saw bench. So if I tip that like that, and that like that, there we are. You can almost see something. Hey? There we are. Leave it there and hope it stops there. Yep. Right. As I said, we'll probably have to do this once twice, I'm not bothered with that. Got enough room, might have to move that. There we are. Just got room. How about that? For a very, very gentle saw. Alright, a bit steady. Probably a good job I'm not on piecework, but it does it, look. Got a few bits of wood here I don't need. We'll do a few gentle cuts with this one. Oh. No. Not come off. What a difference it takes to make. Yes, I'm minding my fingers. Plywood. Just have a bit. Well, it makes short work of that, hasn't it? Well, that's a bit of quite heavy plywood. It's hard to saw, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, that makes short work of that. Do one more. Look at that. Hey? Look at that. Made short work of that. There you are. Just to do saw bench in operation. Oh, what sort of saw all these? I'm in trousers. These things I'm wearing. And unlike jeans, it doesn't come off. I might have to do something about that before I go inside. Anyway, here we are. Have a closer look. How long we got today? 10 minutes, that's not long enough. But at least it's better than the 30 seconds of yesterday, eh? That's running well, isn't it? That's actually doing a good job. Considering I've got a better pulley on the engine source now. Remember when we did it last time, I didn't have a proper pulley on the engine, but we have now. So that's all right. We still haven't got a proper one here, but it was enough. Thing, wasn't it? And that runs ever so well, that does. As you can see, it's a tiny bit out on the blade, but that's all right. Probably the most useful thing I made to run it on these little things. I don't know. What do you think? Engine's running well today. They do better with a bit of a run, don't they? Right, what we'll do now is put you back down here where I hope you can see something. Have a look. What are you watching? Yeah, you can see a bit. You can see a little bit. Right, we take the belt off first. Like that. And there. I'll roll the belt up again like I did yesterday when I finished with it. Seat belts make good belts. Sonia sewed this together, she hand sewed it, but my machine wouldn't go. I'd forgotten about that. I asked Nob for, can you get a bit of seat belt for it? He said, well, you've got one. And Sonia did it because, if you remember, my original one, I sold it with that mill that we sold to Robin. So I got my pulley off and the other things. So, you know, we might not be able to go to engine shows and that, but we can certainly have a play in the yard, can't we? And I think one or two might be interested in a look, being as how they're stuck at home and can't go to engine shows as well. I do. So, there you are. That's it for another day, eh? Just about. I'll put the saw away. I'll show you how easy it is to come undone. By the way, just to show you how to take it off. How simple it is. Just to fill the video out a bit. Right, the engine's done its work, so we're stopping that. And all I have to do is undo this workmate like that, and this lifts off and goes back in the shed. How about that? I want to put it here, really, this today, because this is the dry side for one thing, and it means I don't have to clamber over the engine again, so that's alright. I'll keep that lead inside. Oh dear, you know, I'm still not very energetic somehow. Anyway, we can do a little bit, which is better than nothing, isn't it? So I'll put that in there like that. That's that. And drop this brick on the floor again. And we'll shut the door. Oh. Well, I don't know if you can see me or not. You probably can. I'm holding it arm's length with the front camera with the back away from me. But there you go. As I said, something's better than nothing, eh? See you.